Picture yourself in the 2019 GMC Acadia. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. This solidly built Acadia delivers family-friendly comfort, convenience, and security. A host of desirable creature comforts and impressive safety features are at your command in this attractive, versatile vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, third row seat, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system. Feel confident when you're road tripping in this well-crafted Acadia. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.